The technical section of the municipality had prepared a report which said that the shops currently housing the beef and pork stalls are in a very precarious condition. They are unsafe for human occupation. Also, the desilting work which is done by the WRD has also affected the foundation of this structure. So now, to avoid any loss of life or property, we have shifted these beef and pork stalls in the same structure in the mutton shops which were there earlier, because it is little safer as compared to these stalls which we have vacated. This is only a temporary measure for a period of 1 month until we shift them to the structure opposite the fish market, the composting unit which we had earlier. So there we're going to construct a proper shed and shift all these beef and pork stalls over there, latest by 9th or 10th of June.
म्हापशा बाजारांत फाटल्या वटेन नालो साफ करतना मोडपाक तेकिल्ल्या मटन शॉपाचे बिल्डिंगेची वणत कोसळ्ळी. मटन शॉप शिफ्ट करून बिल्डिंग परत बांदची म्हूण शॉपवाल्यांची मागणी आशिल्ली. फुडल्या म्हयन्या भितर खंय तांकां बाजारांतल्या ओपन शेडीत शिफ्ट करतले. KTC बस स्टँडा फाटल्यान नालो रिपेर करपाचें काम जायते दीस जाले चल्लां. म्हापशेचो CO सांगता ते प्रमाण नगरपालिकेन खंय आतां WRDक शोकॉज नोटीस धाडल्या. पावसा पयलीं काम जालें ना जाल्यार म्हापशेचो बाजार बुडटलो म्हूण म्हापशेकारांक भंय.
Monsoons around the corner, we had no option but to issue a show cause notice to WRD, because if the nala is not repaired, the work is not completed before the monsoons, there is every possibility the market will be flooded, and that is why we have issued show cause notice to WRD. They have assured that somehow they are going to complete the work by the end of this month, and we hope they stick to their word.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर श्याम सुंदर फट्टे.